Imagine a world where your digital presence thrives effortlessly. SEO automation is the key to unlocking this potential, saving time and boosting visibility across platforms. Let's explore how automation transforms SEO into a powerhouse of efficiency. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Manual SEO is like navigating a maze blindfolded, time-consuming, and labor-intensive. Automation streamlines this process, enhancing efficiency and results. By automating SEO, you can focus on strategy while technology handles the heavy lifting. AI tools like SEMrush revolutionize keyword research, offering insights that manual methods can't match. Plugins like Yoast SEO automate on-page optimization, ensuring your content is always search engine ready. Internal linking and technical audits become a breeze with automation. Tools suggest optimal links and perform audits, ensuring your site structure is robust and error-free. Automation keeps your website in top shape effortlessly. Optimize your video content with VidIQ, ensuring your titles and tags are primed for visibility. Automated captioning and transcription enhance engagement, making your videos accessible and SEO-friendly. Social media scheduling platforms like Hootsuite automate post timing, maximizing reach and engagement. By automating these tasks, you ensure consistent visibility across all platforms, driving traffic and interaction. AI models generate high-ranking content, optimizing for search engines effortlessly. Conversational AI tools enhance discoverability, ensuring your content reaches the right audience at the right time. Structured data automation boosts visibility, making your content more accessible to search engines. By leveraging AI, you ensure your digital presence is always optimized and ready to capture attention.